Standing right there looking so amazing. Oh, so I thought I'd say something. Oh, I thought I'd say something. Oh, I thought I'd say something.
Okay, what's up, y'all? So I'm back. So I have did my eyelashes, I lined my eyes. We just gonna do the bottom eyeshadow, and then we're gonna contour, highlight, and blush. I didn't blush. So, and you know what? I can do the blush now because they don't have a blush in her palette. So I'm just gonna take this NARS blush. This is NARS Blush and Sin. Okay, so after that, we're going to go back to her palette, and I'm going to do under my eyes first. I'm going to be using her two brushes. One is a smudge shadow brush, and one is a smudge liner brush. So I'm going to be using those, and I'm going to go in with first Control Freak. No, Mousse. That's what I was using. I'm going to go in with Mousse. Mousse. I'm going to go in with Allison. Yeah, my skin is feeling so bad. Buku dermatology medicine. And I'm gonna contour using Mocha. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Yeah, I'm loving this contour though. Yes, I'm living for this contour, y'all. This contour is the shit, okay? No lie. So I'm gonna go in with, this is, I took brush 3, which was this brush 3 to contour with. Now I'm taking brush 2, and I'm gonna use that with that same contour with my hands and bring it down my nose. So after that, y'all, we're gonna take one of her highlights. I'm gonna take Radiant, y'all. I'm gonna do the middle one, Radiant. And we're gonna take her number 4 brush, which is the highlight brush. And we're going to highlight. I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix and some areas. I'm just gonna set with that. Line my lips with MAC's Lip Down. Why is that off? Well, MAC's Lip Down, Strip Down. And then I'm gonna spray my face with my Sephora Beauty Amplifier spray. I think everything done. I didn't line my eyes. I guess I'll do black. So So this is just a MAC lip gloss. I've been having forever in the color Fashion Fanatic. So this is the complete look, y'all. I wanna be with you, yeah, I wanna be with you. So I'm finished. I hope y'all like this. Let me know how y'all feel about the palette, because I really feel like the colors were so pretty and stuff. Like, I was loving it. I was here for it. I was living for it. I was here for it. I was everything for it. So yeah, y'all, definitely don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. Yeah, I will see y'all later in a later video. I'm definitely gonna do another makeup look with this palette, because I do want to spend some more time using the shadows and stuff like this. This was just like really playing in the palette, seeing what the shadows was about, seeing what the brushes was about, and I love everything. Like, y'all, if y'all haven't got y'all hands on it, definitely go check it out. Links once again will be down below. I hope y'all like my face today, y'all, and until next time, I'll see y'all later.